our last day in Malaysia, and we made every moment count. From tasting delicious Malaysian food to having fun adventures in the theme park. And enjoying the nightlife. Since this day was our last day in Malaysia, but the real adventure is still remaining.
For next destination. Salaar, are you ready? Yes. Is your packing complete?
Because I'm going to disclose my next destination. You have to guess the next country. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to SalaarAdventures. Do like and subscribe if you haven't. Good morning. Since this is our last day in Malaysia, I have mixed emotions. I am sad but still very excited because tomorrow we will be flying to another country. This last day was a bit relaxing. We went to the pool after breakfast because I will gonna miss this pool a lot. For me, this pool is the best part in Malaysia, I guess. After that, we spent some time in the hotel balcony because this is the next place that I will miss a lot. So incredible view. So after all the relaxation, we went to this mall, Berjaya Times Square, because we have to collect souvenirs and some shopping. This place is one of the KualaLumpur's biggest shopping mall and entertainment center because it has a huge theme park. But everything aside, firstly we went to have some delicious Malaysian food. There were too many varieties to choose from. Malaysia is famous for its mix of Malay, Chinese and Indian cuisines. So every meal here felt unique and delicious. I tried to eat with the chopsticks, but it was so hard. My sister enjoying it the most. Yummy.
Salwa, is it good? Salwa, is it good?
No.
No, not good. Or it is bad?
Then we had some yummiest ice cream. आइसक्रीम के बाद सलवा ने तो चाय भी नहीं छोड़ी. Now you can see our energy levels are full. Now we are ready to go to the theme park. There were so many rides. This is the map of the whole theme park. The map and the pictures. Here's the royal But the most exciting part is the Kart ride. The waiting time was long for our turn, but it was worth it. The ride was super exciting. I couldn't record it because it wasn't allowed. After all the fun, we went to the famous street. Bukit Bintang Street is one of Kuala Lumpur's most famous streets. The roads were full of tourists all over the world. Glowing lights, music, and giant malls everywhere. We walked through the lively streets. We explored different malls. The malls were so beautiful from inside. Here I found my dadu as well. We collected many Malaysian souvenirs. Now again in the super crowded and beautiful street. These all are restaurants on my right. Now we are looking again for food to eat. In this trip we are walking a lot, so need to be hydrated and full all the time. Finally found this Damascus. If you are in Kuala Lumpur, don't miss this place for food. It was super crowded, but the food was yummiest. Especially the shawarma. I can't sit for too long to make my sketch. Wow, he got a real snake, a giant one. I love its yellow color. Met some fluffy dumpy cartoons. This is our last night in Malaysia and a never-ending night. We are just walking and walking and roaming around. These were some singers here. And I think some famous Malaysian celebrities. Super hard to cross this road. Found some real lemon plant and we got some fresh lemonade. We finally returned to the hotel, super tired and exhausted.
Salaar, are you ready? Yes. Is your packing complete?
Yes. But we had our next trip ahead, so Mama and Baba did all the packing. We are leaving this room now. I will gonna miss you, Malaysia. Still super excited for my next country. Can you guess and tell me in the comments which country I am going next? I can give you some hints. This country is also in Asia, but it is surrounded by the ocean and it's an island. We are in the middle of the ocean. If you find my videos entertaining, do like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Thank you.